In the vast tapestry of life on Earth, intelligence isn't a trait reserved solely for humans. Far from it, nature is teeming with creatures whose mental abilities are nothing short of astounding. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and today, we're delving into the minds of three of its most brilliant inhabitants. First off is the clever crow. The crow is a bird so sharp it could outwit the average toddler. While they might look like just another member of the avian world, crows are nothing short of genius. Imagine a bird that not only uses tools but also fashions them from everyday objects. Crows are also experts in problem solving. In one remarkable experiment, a crow was faced with an 8-step puzzle. This crow breezed through the challenge as if it were a simple child's game. Beyond their puzzle-solving prowess, these birds have an impressive memory for human faces. If you've ever wronged a crow, don't be surprised if it remembers you and squawks its displeasure the next time you cross its path. And as if that weren't enough, crows can count. They understand quantities well enough to avoid being outnumbered by rivals or predators. It's safe to say that the crow's intelligence is as black as its feathers, deep, mysterious, and endlessly fascinating. In second place are the delightful dolphins. Let's dive into the ocean and meet the dolphins, the social butterflies of the sea. If you've ever watched a dolphin leap gracefully out of the water, you might think it's simply enjoying the day, but there's much more going on beneath the surface. Dolphins possess some of the most complex brains in the animal kingdom, and they use them to communicate, solve problems, and even play games. Dolphins are known to use tools, a trait once thought to be exclusive to land animals. In certain regions, they use marine sponges as protective gear while foraging, a practice that shows they're not just smart but also resourceful. But dolphins don't just use tools, they solve problems with a level of sophistication that puts some humans to shame. When hunting, they've been observed corralling fish into tight balls, making it easier to catch them, a strategy that requires teamwork and planning. And let's not forget their playful side. Dolphins are notorious for their games, which aren't just for fun but are also an expression of their intelligence. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare trait in the animal world, indicating self-awareness. Training dolphins is a breeze because they can learn complex tasks and understand abstract concepts, showing a level of cognition that's nothing short of remarkable. Finally, we come to the chimpanzee, the animal that could give humans a run for their money in a thinking contest. Sharing over 98% of our DNA, chimpanzees are our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom. This close genetic link translates into behaviors and intelligence that mirror our own in uncanny ways. Chimpanzees are the ultimate tool users of the wild. Whether it's using a stick to fish for termites, a stone to crack open nuts, or a leaf to sponge up water, chimps are resourceful in ways that would make any human camper proud. But their intelligence goes beyond mere survival skills. Imagine having a chat with a chimp about your day, though be warned, they might just start gossiping about the others in their troop. These primates are also social masterminds. Living in complex societies, chimps engage in behaviors that resemble human politics. They form alliances, show empathy, and can even engage in deceptive tactics to achieve their goals. Their ability to remember the locations of food sources within their territory and plan their movements accordingly is a testament to their impressive cognitive abilities. So, as you ponder the brilliance of these animals, remember that intelligence in the animal kingdom isn't just a human trait. It's a shared quality that manifests in fascinating and unexpected ways across species.